Pugs may be small in size, but they have a huge personality. Their faces are always wrinkled, as if they're deep in thought about life. But the funniest thing? They snore. Yes, pugs make weird noises even while breathing, and sometimes it sounds like they're talking in their sleep. And do you know what's even more surprising? Ancient Chinese emperors considered pugs sacred. Some even assigned personal servants just to protect them. These little dogs lived like royalty, making them one of the funniest and most lovable companions in the world.